So guys, I'm going to show you how to change the battery for your AirTag. So I got the AirTag 2 here, but also works for AirTag 1. Same process. So first you do have to change the battery, you can't charge it. Your iPhone's going to notify you when the battery's low and you can check and find my. So first do open this guys. Now what you want to do is put some fingers on the back, just for support. So you're going to use both thumbs and you're going to push down on it, the silver part. Push down and you're going to just rotate it counterclockwise. Just like that, it's going to pop off. So if you do not have a replacement battery, I'll link below. They're pretty cheap though. One more time guys, with the AirTag 1, just push down. Push down and you're going to just rotate it counterclockwise. Just like that. So let's turn it over. Place in the battery. So then you want to line up these 3 parts here with the 3 holes. So this time you're going to move it to the right. Just turn to the right. Just like that. The battery should last you for at least 1 year. So once again, same for the AirTag 1. Push down, turn to the right. And you guys, so there's to it. So hope this helped out.